In this lesson, we'll learn how to manage layers and their properties in an assembly document. Go to the Layer panel. If you don't have it here, turn it on using the special command in the Settings menu or the Ctrl-L shortcut. Right-click the root object and select Create Layers, a new command of version 24. This command allows you to create up to 999 layers at the moment. You don't need too many now. So create 2 layers. Rename the new layers. The first will be Components. Set its color to blue. The second layer will be Standard Parts. Its color will be orange. Move the components onto the corresponding layers. Select all the components except the standard parts and start the Move to Layer command in the context menu. Select the Components layer. Confirm. Repeat for the standard parts. To make a layer current, click on its number. New objects will belong to the current layer. Also, you can change the layer number and color. You can make a layer background. In this case, you will not be able to select the objects of this layer in the graphic area. Since you've made the components visible by layer, you can hide them from the Layers panel. Unhide all components and save the reducer. The reducer assembly has been finished.